All right, so in this problem, it looks like we're comparing the time something is in the freezer to its temperature. So once I put things in a freezer, the temperature will usually decrease. So as the item is in the freezer for 2 minutes, the temperature is changing by 6. So when we look at finding the unit rate, since the temperature depends on the time, the temperature goes down 6 for every 2 minutes. And we want a unit rate, so we want it per minute in 1 minute. So I would divide by 2. And it goes down it goes down 3 degrees in 1 minute. So -3 degrees per minute. That's our unit rate. And now we need to write the equation, which means we kind of need to know the starting temperature of this item. So I need to get to 0 minutes in the freezer before it's been in the freezer. So I need to work my way backwards. So going backwards 2 minutes is going to change the temperature by 6. Because every time I change the time by 2, the temperature changes by 6. So I didn't mean to write that there. So now 74 plus 6 is 80. So the item started out with a temperature of 80. So my equation would be 80, and it's going down 3 degrees every minute, and that will be the new temperature. That's my equation. All right, we're going to look at one more. So this is the number of minutes in the gallons of water in a pool. So looks like they're draining the pool. So as my time increases by 5, the amount of water in the pool goes down by 500 gallons. So when we look at my unit rate, the number of gallons depends on how long it's getting drained, so the number of minutes. So it goes down 500 gallons in 5 minutes. Again, we want a unit rate, so we needed to get it to be 1 minute. So we'll divide by 5. And when we do that, we'll end up with going down 100 gallons in 1 minute. So down 100 gallons per minute. That's my unit rate. And to write our equation, we need to know what the pool started with. So how much was in the pool to begin with, which means I need to work my way backwards to 0 minutes. So I have to put time back on the clock. So going backwards 5 minutes means that my pool is going to increase by 500 gallons. So 49,500 plus the 500 would be 50,000. So my pool started out with 50,000 gallons, and it's decreasing or emptying 100 gallons every minute, and that will tell me how many gallons of water are still in the pool.